how are you? Today amazing weather have every time in Pakistan and I'm preparing for you amazing recipe. This is very helpful recipe for busy women because this is very fast and very easy for cooking because all of will be do air fry. This is recipe for air fry and this is very fast lunch and healthy. And in this recipe only 170 calories per 100 gram. And in this episode we will make stuffed pepper in air grill. Let's start! In this recipe, main ingredients, this is of course pepper, beautiful in green. You need cut like this. So also, we need chicken mince, boiled rice. You can white or if you're on diet, you can brown rice use. Cut onion, garlic. Different spices what you like for chicken mince and yogurt, and we need olive oil for sauce. So we will start for preparing filling. So we need big bowl and chicken mince. Coming to this bowl, little bit rice, not full, little bit only for filling. Because full rice, this is a lot carbs. For we need rice only for texture filling. For tasty onion, garlic, cutting. Also how you like, how much you like. And now salt. Now we put one egg and doing this. And now spices what you like. I'm not like very much spices, but if you like more spicy, you can give more. This is green leaves, very good for chicken mince. And now we all mix this. Good mixing. This is recipe also have high protein because we have clearly chicken mince. Near 9 grams per 100 grams product. This recipe very good for all family lunch. So let's go stuff our pepper. So first, see how it's good. One. And coming second. This is recipe good for lunch. This is very easy, but this is have and carbs and protein and fats also, good fats. So with this fast recipe, you have lunch for all family. So our pepper ready for put it in air fries. So my favorite device in the kitchen, this is air grill. This is very fast, help us cooking healthy food. So air grill is ready, pepper is ready. Let's put this pepper in air grill. So pepper in air grill and they're ready to cooking. I'm sending program on the meat and 20 minutes. It's meaning what air grill you have, what type of air grill, what energy for your air grill. My air grill, this is 20-25 minutes for chicken mince, this will be good. Or we can use this time for preparing sauce for our pepper. This very easy. Greek yogurt, little bit olive oil. It's only for shining. If you like garlic, you can use garlic. I like garlic in sauce, little bit. Then some leaves, dry leaves, what you like. And of course, salt for your taste. You can also use any other masala, any other paper, what you like. I like this. And now it's good mixed, and our sauce will be ready. So we put our pepper in air fryers on 20-25 minutes, and now it's ready. Look this. And we have last step. This is our sauce for this pepper. Look what amazing pepper we have. This is good lunch for full family. You can serve this with vegetables or grilled vegetables or fresh vegetables, and you have proper main lunch with all ingredients, fat, carbs and protein, with low calories and healthy for your body.